So here at YOUCANIC, we're going to reinstall door panel on our GL 550 Mercedes. Okay? So we've taken it apart. Now we've got to put the connectors back on. We've got one electrical connector here. Push in. We got a blue one. And I got little indicators here that tell you blue and green. And you got a blue and a green here. So we're going to hook the blue one up. Push it out, clicks. We got the green. Boom, boom. Okay. This is our speaker wire, so we're going to keep it to stay up out here. Now we got to hook up the lever for opening the door. And it just is like a J-hook, goes in there, and you pull it this side, you get this small cable to go down a little hole. Yeah. So here, so again, to release, we're going to pull it this way, out, J up, this J-hook. And you're going to take this J-hook, down in the hole there, pull it this way, just like that. That's all connected back up. So we've made sure we've got all our connectors back up. We want to make sure that we got this one up and out because it's going to connect to a speaker up here, and everything else is connected in here. So then we need to line up the door lock thing like this. And we're going to have to kind of push the top toward the window and make sure you get the sill portion on the other side of the metal channel there. Start from the front, seems to work easier. Work your way to this side and then push. Just work your way around, pushing all the clips. Again, work your way around. Pumping all the clips in place. And everything looks pretty good. And then you can see we got a T30. We go in right here. 30 in here. Right? Tighten it up. We're going to put this T30 in here until it's tight. We're going to do the same thing right here. There's one more that goes down here. Then you're going to take this, just push it in here, and once it's all the way in, then push that little metal tab in and it'll lock on in. Okay? And then you've got your metal or your trim piece. Goes like this. Once you got this tight, just clip that on there. Alright. And we've got this one with our little speaker. We're going to hook our connector back up. Pop it into place. Something like that. Does kind of have a little line it with the little channel there. And we're going to pop the bottom in with that little clip, and then just clip it all together. And that is how you reinstall your door panel.